Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE that just closed. Of course, we did get an economic data manufacturing output for May, surprising to the upside, increasing 0.5% after a really steep fall the previous month. We do have the all share on the day with a gain of 0.14%, that coming from the Resources 10 complex, and actually particularly from the coal and iron ore miners that have carried those gains today. On the opposite side of the spectrum, the Financial 15 declining by almost 0.5%, Industrial 25 relatively flat, just 0.01% below that flat line. Let's take a look at what is happening in the U.S. markets and investors digesting the minutes from the Fed from last night, from its June meeting. Seeming that there are rate cuts expected, but a split on how many we can expect going forward. We do see a mixed picture on that front, but mostly green. Also, we actually did get some good news on the labor market front as well, with the jobless claims declining unexpectedly. The tech-heavy Nasdaq giving up 0.1%, S&P 500 eking out a gain of almost 0.5%, and the Dow climbing almost 0.6%. Let's take a look at what is happening in the European markets. A mixed picture on that front also, but largely green. FTSE 100 making a turnaround today, climbing almost 1.5%. CAC 40 popping almost 0.33%. But going in the opposite direction is the DAX with a decline of 0.31%. Let's take a look at the currency scene and start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. Pretty stable against the US dollar, just above 17 rand 70. Against the pound at 24 rand 4 cents, and against the euro at 20 rand 71. Let's check in on the other currency pairs, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.16, pound dollar 1.35, and the yen just above 146 against the greenback.